Hey everyone, welcome to CPO. Today we got some new M18 fuel tools into the office, and we're going to do an unboxing for you guys. To start, we have the new M18 Super SAWZALL. So with this, inside this box here, we got the Super SAWZALL. You get a 12 amp hour battery, which is new. And then you get your rapid charger and a nice contractor bag. After this, we'll move on to the chainsaw. But let's get cracking on this guy. See what's going on. Let's open up this guy. Take a look what's new. So take a look inside the box, straight out. You get to take a look at the nice contractor bag. Let's open it up. It's pretty nice, pretty big too. Take a look inside here. So right out, you got your instruction manual, your rapid charger. So it's M12 compatible too, so it'll charge your M18 and your M12 batteries depending on what platform you're on. So, and then here's the new M18 fuel 12 amp hour battery. So this baby will charge you up big time and give your M18 fuel tools the power of a 15 amp corded tool. And here we go. Let's get this out of the bag. Here's the new Super SAWZALL. Some quick features. This is the new orbital switch, so on and off. That's new to the cordless. The rafter hook, extended shoe. So with an 1.25 inch cut, so that'll, with the extended shoe, it'll extend your blade life, so that's pretty good too. And then your speed dial, so pretty nice, feels good in hand too. So all in all, also the bag comes with a shoulder strap too, and one blade. So all in all, you get, the kit comes with your SAWZALL, your battery, your rapid charger, and a pretty nice contractor bag. Pretty good. All right. So with these tools, these are shipping out from CPO on July 20th. And so you can pre-order now on cpooutlets.com. Be the first, get one. All right, let's move on to the new chainsaw. So Milwaukee's never made a chainsaw before. So this is brand new to Milwaukee, new to the M18 fuel cordless line. Let's take a look what's in the box. So this is a kit just like the SAWZALL. So I imagine what we're gonna get, I'm 99.9% sure we're gonna get a tool. We are going to get a rapid charger. Here's our new 12 amp hour battery, HD. Instruction manuals. And let's get in and get the tool out. All right, there she is. All right. So, brand spanking new to Milwaukee and to CPO outlets. So with this guy, obviously with corded, you're gonna have to deal with cords, but not with this. This is M18 fuel, no cords, no problem. Easy startup. It's going to be quieter than corded. It with the 12 amp hour battery. This thing will cut one full face cord of wood, so firewood, no problem. That'll get you started. Easy installation. Now you will have to have some oil there, but this thing comes with an Oregon built bar and blade, so quality bar and blade. So we're excited to give this puppy a little demo later on. So with those two out of the way, now we have something a little extra too. So if you guys come over here, we got the new M18 fuel table saw. So let's open this guy up. Prime, ready for your job site. So I may need a little help taking this out of the box.
Sure.
Alright. So straight out of the box, let's see what we got. So we got a blade. We got tool accessories here. Wrench, guard. Alright, let's get this guy out here. Let's see. Alright, there she is. Let's see. Alright. Get this up on the table. Alright. So, here's the new M18 fuel table saw. Built for an all day's work performance on the job site. Now, this thing will come with a rack and pinion fence that will cut a full 4x8, it'll rip a full 4x8 sheet directly in half, right? So that's a big deal. So you can just set it up and just rip that thing right in half. It'll cut 600 linear feet of wood per charge. So, and of course, it comes, again, this is a kit, so it's going to come with a rapid charger, and another M18 12 amp hour battery. So if you guys can take a look. Oh, one more great feature about this is also it's one key compatible. So if you have the One Key app on your phone and you're leaving this on the job site, you can lock it from wherever you are. If you leave the job site, you can secure it, lock it out so no one can access it and cut their finger off. But anyway, these are the three some of the three tools that we got from Milwaukee, part of the new M18 fuel line. You can pre-order them now. They ship July 20th. Come check them out. Okay, thanks guys.